Lauren, what makes Altasciences stand out from other CROs and CDMOs?
I'd say it starts with support from the top down. It's number one that sets us apart because it has a trickle down effect on the other areas that really make us shine. We're a very nimble company, and we actively listen for our clients' needs, hence the Tell Us Once commitment.
Speaking of Tell Us Once, how do sponsors benefit from the Tell Us Once commitment?
Well, aside from the obvious that they don't have to repeat themselves over and over again, they're getting streamlined integration across our divisions, and that's a comforting feeling when everyone's in the know. It's sort of like that Cheers song. Sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name. Well, in this case, you're going where everybody knows your needs, your expectations, and the requirements of your plan.
What is scientific project management at Altasciences?
Scientific project management is really the glue that holds the study team together. There is a project manager assigned to every project that comes through our doors. So we're really integrating the different operational teams and driving our studies forward.
How are project managers assigned to studies?
Each study is assigned a dedicated project manager upon award. These assignments are based on trial complexity and therapeutic area, as we would like to ensure the most appropriate match. And of course, keeping continuity on the account from one project to the next. It's an important factor when resourcing project management.
So that was about scientific project managers. What about program managers? What's their role?
So when it comes to programs, a program manager is assigned to support the award from start to finish, including complete oversight of the individual studies that sit within the program. Their objective is to consolidate updates and information for our clients from the preclinical study directors, bioanalytical principal investigators in the lab, and the study managers in the clinic to allow for seamless transitions from one phase of the program to the next.
How do project managers and program managers maintain communications with sponsors throughout a study or a program?
Our project managers communicate with sponsors through many different means. We have our kickoff meetings at the beginning of projects to set expectations and verify scope of work. We have regularly scheduled team meetings where we're reporting on study status and the latest challenges and wins. And then, of course, there are ad hoc phone calls and regular emails, often daily, depending on where things are at with the study. But our objective is always to keep the client as informed as possible and keep communication flowing smoothly.